Meaning of inning.
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 Inning. Inning is a term used in baseball to refer to one of the 9 periods in a game during which one team takes their turn at batting and fielding. Each inning consists of 2 halves, with the home team batting in the bottom half. The objective of the batting team is to score runs by hitting the ball and advancing around 4 bases. Meanwhile, the fielding team attempts to prevent runs and get 3 outs to end the half inning. The innings continue until the end of the game, resulting in a final score for both teams.